Oh, we never made it this far.
Awiti.
Yeah.
6lapho.
Yeah, I'm talking king of the city, the talk of the city, the goat league step on the lane, the searching for grace, but I'm so him. Imagine this rap bad as carry with some old fleet. Let's take TC 294 where niggas was so greedy, searching for tails. You won't find it somehow with low key. Wrote a PC out of it, agree for some apologies. Yeah. So we agree for some like study time. Listen, just got a call from the greatest by some rap buddy, and you know some black boy. Effort to the greatest to be. I rocked on my feet, I hop by the creep. I'm probably wondering who's there, cause the bottle can see there, the bottle can see some big motion. Not cause as bad as they're cheering for me, I'm like tossing. Forgetting to mention that I landed like a boss with. Got the people talking shit. Got his fans pending, stretching out their heads and shit. Got his
They never thought we'll make it far, we'll make it far. They never thought we'll make it far, we'll make it far. They never thought we'll make it far, make it far. They never thought we'll make it far, we'll make it far. I know that I will going up, we're going up. They never thought we'll make it far, we'll make it far. I know that I will going up, we're going up. They never thought we'll make it far,
Ndithunyelwe enhlizweni zenu sophilisa ifemeli zenu. Hey, what I'm waiting for, it's happening real. Oh yini please crack, it's extending cracking the cracks endleleni. I'm moving at the stop. Yeah, I know akusuka lula ukusinciba matching. Yes, umangaliso nzawenza zayilungisa le ndlela ngeyami kumele ndinikhokhele. I'm coming from my left lane, I'm here to direct you to your right lane. Hey, ariyeni lena nzanabonisa ngeyenu. 6lapho.
They never thought we'll make it far, we'll make it far. They never thought we'll make it far, we'll make it far. They never thought we'll make it